Testing 1, 2, 3. That looks better. Thank you for telling me that. I don't know what's going on with the system. I hate Windows. That's just why. Why do I do this to myself? That's one big start menu. Oh yeah, I know. Don't get me started about that. Sound. Yeah. All right. I'm back. I'm here. All right. So last time we put in the vending machine in the cache, and we were looking at getting rid of the swords. And you have to go to a vending machine to buy the swords or something of that nature. And then I got sidetracked working on a level builder for a while and implementing the old stuff from ChaosTrainer, which part of me is like, why didn't I just take ChaosTrainer and just build from that? But oh boy, I've lost it. I don't have a way of recentering it. You know what? We're going to start over again. It's going to be super laggy because the first couple of them don't make great decisions. I put something in there to try and prevent that. Yes, like my god-awful menus. Ugh. Yeah, so right there, they're all trying to figure out where to go at the same time. Most of them did come up with objectives. So this guy is wandering randomly because he couldn't pick one. I think I need to stagger their neural net timeouts, or that action timeouts, maybe. Try and use money on a non-vending machine. That was from last week. All right, so who do we got here? Never Fear, Super Jerry, and Elori. Welcome, everybody. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the vending machine stuff. So I was thinking I was going to have one vending machine of each type. So there'd be a vending machine for a sword and a vending machine for a tire and et cetera, et cetera. And you try and collect the money and then go to the vending machine. So I need to put a breakpoint around this one. I'm not sure how that is outside of there, but I will find out. So how are they being rewarded? Right now, if they basically the winning team, well, I guess if a neural net takes out another player, they get rewarded. Causes damage to their HP. If they heal a friendly, they get rewarded. So that's it. If they take out a friendly, they get punished, and if they heal a friendly, God, I really got to get this thing clamped down. If they heal a friendly, then they get rewarded as well. So let's take a look at this guy. I don't think they get punished for taking damage. Score 0. Okay. Yeah, no score. He's going for the money. We got to find someone that's going for a sword or something. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but Shay's outside the door wanting to get in. All right, that guy's got a sword. Let's see if we can lock on to him. He's got a sword and he's doing nothing. Using neat? Yep, they are using neat neural nets. I do not have the visualization UI up. Display scores of each neural net on the character? That's a good idea. We could do that. I have a list of neural nets. So we can put the top scoring ones there. I don't know if you guys want me to do UI work. I'm kind of sick of doing UI work, honestly. I think what we're going to do is we're going to give each vending machine a type. I don't know, maybe we'll let them run for a minute and see if they evolve when we get to generation. No, we're at generation 2. So I cranked down the numbers of the species and generations right now just so I could test that. And like the generations iterating to make sure that actually worked, and it seems like they're working. We've seen them evolve so they can. I mean, it doesn't take much to be a killer, which is why I'm already adding more complexity to it. This sounds bad. I don't want to advocate them killing, but it is kind of a battle game. I guess I am rewarding them directly for killing. All right, I'm creating evil AI, I guess. What are these guys doing? What's he doing? He's doing nothing. So yeah, they learned already to be pretty effective, but I mean it's not incredibly complicated. But that's what I love about this project is it's so much simpler than just the raw movement neurons. So they're basically little sim RimWorlds pawns, and the game just has to learn how to prioritize what to have them do. Either way, one guy's spazzing out. I know I don't fix that stuff on purpose, kind of because it makes for funnier video clips, but I will eventually fix that, I'm sure. Have you fixed the resolution issue? Yes, this darn scale was changed, so I can zoom in or out, and they still remain pretty crispy. Yeah, I was working on a level editor, which I think it might be overkill, but that's going to be more fun for you guys to make your own tests and training stuff once I actually get it to a place where anybody can play with it. So the level builder is key. Um, head went in a weird action. Yeah, their heads are bonkers. I need to make them so they reset properly in between. Give them blocks to build stuff like barricades and traps. That is on my list of things to do. I think I actually even have some pixel art for it if I can find it. I gotta go over here and pick the sprite. Let's see. No, this is just the beginnings of the fence. I do have the art for a Molotov cocktail, which I think would be cool, and fires in the ground. And I made a real shield and med kit and hat so we don't have to use a tire. And a box you can break, and of course a couple different items you could use and the sprites for that. I made another fence we could use. This is just debris. Ah, there we go. I don't know why, but I did a Western themed one. So I do at the end of the stream, I think I'm going to close it out by playing Colt Canyon for a bit. And so Colt Canyon is an awesome pixel art game. So, and then I did the UI for these. This is for the, you see that this is more of a template, a placeholder. I just want to be able to replace this, and that's for the UI stuff. So we've got some art done. What's that? Stun particle, yeah. And we've got like the Rogue C stuff. This is from the Rogue C game I never finished. So, all right. So let's go back to the game. What gen are we at right now? Still Gen 2. Not surprising I haven't quite figured it out yet. Money item. All right. Yeah, I need an NPC list here so I can click through them. At least debuggable stuff. I also need to make it so space stops time. That'll make it easier for me to find him. Oop, that guy's winding up. He's going for an attack. Tell me about the holder. Dang it. He was trying to attack. But yes, for the building stuff, I would, one of the next things I want to add, once I understand this a little bit more, is like concept of lava or area of effect attacks, and then the navigation stuff. So basically, they'll tick through kind of the A-star path method, but have it run through a neural net. So basically, for the A-star path method, if we have a 3x3 grid, and you're not counting the one you're standing on, that's technically 8 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from there, it's like so let's just say our goal is up here. It would say which path is the best spot. That's kind of what A-star already does. And this would feed in all the other variables, like, I guess, nearest X, Y or Z, or does this tile have, lava damage? Does this tile have visibility lacking, because I want to make a visibility thing where they can only detect objects that they're looking at, maybe remember them. So objects are sliding around as well. I added a pretty good weight to the vending machine. The vending machine should have some pretty serious friction on it. So let's go scripts. I want to be in prefabs. The vending machine. Yeah, it has a linear drag of 10. where everything else has no linear drag really. So you'll see other objects slide, hopefully not the vending machine. It also has a massive 50. So what are you two doing? What's he? He's managed to swing the dollar. That's funny. Now see, this locking up does not fill me with confidence that C# going to be able to handle this. Okay, that guy's using it. Okay, we need to make it so I can pause this. Is he hitting it with money? What are you doing? I also need to highlight the guys that I'm clicking on here. All right, let's start by adding the space to stop time. So time freeze, pause gameplay, that is time scale. Okay, I looked that up in a different window. All right. Time scale. So that's going to be in input manager. Game manager. I do have an input manager here. Yeah, input manager. Okay, minus speed up and slow down. All right, I already got some of this stuff. Let's see. Previous. All right. So if it's space, if time dot time scale dot equals 0, then time dot time scale equals previous game speed, else previous game speed equals time dot time scale, and time dot time scale equals 0. All right. We're going to lose all this data here, but that's why I was working on the UI, so I can make sure it serializes, because it's not going to be any fun to train neural nets that you can't save and pull up later. So, super Jerry. C# is perfectly performant enough. The debug drawing line logging is heavy on performance. All right, let's get rid of that then. We've got to restart this. That makes sense. I should make it so we only turn on for the one neural net we're trying to debug instead of all of them. So I made it so it's supposed to load a save file there, but I haven't actually gotten around to writing that. So, all right. Okay, spacebar doesn't do squat. Plus doesn't do squat. Okay, I got a feeling the input manager is not being called a tick. Let's check that theory. Yeah. Okay. So it's game manager and the tick routine for that. I gotta switch over to using fixed update in more places, because when I started this, I totally had forgotten everything about Unity, as per usual, because I haven't touched it in a year. All right. Yes, debug makes things 10 times slower. Okay, well, we turned off gizmos. Let's see. Those saying that sometimes like BOGO sort, which of course not run well in C#, it's not some magic. Okay. Don't know much about BOGO sort. Don't think I know anything about BOGO sort. Okay, pause on, pause off. Nope, not happening. All right, we're gonna are we attached? I think we're attached. Let's go into here. Escape hides overlays. Okay, let's do this. I don't know if we're okay. We're not attached, so I'm going to stop that. Go back to here, attach it. Wait for Unity to load. BOGO sort. Not familiar. All right. So they're thinking, they're going. BOGO sort is basically while list's not sorted, list randomized order. Oh, wow. I see. Okay. Okay, pause. That's good. Timescale equals 1. Okay, so the speed's now 1 and then timescale 0. That works. Okay, so if I hit it again, does that just mean that we're not going to call the update anymore either? Okay, that's not going to work. That's why it's doing it, because it's the fixed update doesn't get called then anymore. I think that's weird. Okay, so we do like input on key down. Wonder if it would update keep getting called? Let's try that. Because update is more of a graphical thing. Why are you red? Okay. All right, update, in game, resume, pause is true. All right, let's see if that works. Restarting, all right. Why don't you vlog the stuff into your channel? I am working on one actually, but I don't feel like I'm far enough to put it together. I have a bunch of clips actually put together, but it's not quite coherent enough. Okay, we don't actually need to go through my whole file system. But yeah, I have a bunch of clips. So yes, yeah, editing takes time. I've just been busy with work. My clients, between the two of them, have me more than 40 hours a week right now. I can carve out mostly just time at the beginning and the day, the end of the day, like very early in the morning. Luckily, I wake up at like 5 a.m. So, all right, let's pause. Okay, that's fine. Play. And unpause. Okay, that's good. It hits time scale equals 0. That looks promising. Remove the breakpoint, and we're not going to be paused. Yeah, that's good. All right. For a long time, I didn't even have time to stream. No, it's true. But I moved into my new place. I don't know if you guys saw. I'm kind of proud of this. I got the herb garden. Wow, that's a lot of dudes. So, got my herb garden going. See, it still gets like that pause every once in a while. He's got it. No, I clicked on the guy, not the money. There we go. Okay, well, we gotta. Dang it. See, I kind of want to know where that guy's going. What are you doing? You navigating just off in the left field there? I got to turn down somehow the sensitivity on that. I need to give him more time as well. Let's see. Where is that? Game holder? Nope. Main camera. It's all on main camera. Here we go. Did I put it in there? Okay, we'll just go into the level. Chaos level. See, there's a board manager, and now we've got a chaos level. The board manager's from ChaosTrainer, and try and reconcile those two. That's a pain right now. They both do similar things. So they handle what's, all the different entities and stuff like that. But all right, time remaining. All right, I'm gonna give them 20 seconds because it takes them a second to get to that little thing. I should probably just increase their movement speeds as well. Let's try that too. Give them a little more speed. That's in entities, NPC, chaos NPC. We just have a generic one. Speed 2F. Let's bump that up to 4F. They're going to be cooking. All right, 40 hours, Rip. Oh, I'm, like I said, over 40 hours. You got to go? That's too bad. See you, Super Jerry. Thanks for stopping in. Good luck with whatever you're off to do. Hopefully it's enjoyable. All right, they're thinking, oh, they're moving. All right. Yep, they've got money. He's attempting to navigate to. Yeah, he's just navigating. So to refresh everybody's memory, there's basically two main actions right now. Navigate to, and then use primary held item on. So these guys, if I had to guess, we're trying to navigate to somewhere to use an item on something. So we want to make it, ideally by the end of today, you can use $1 on the vending machine, and it'll give you a sword or something. Oh, he's attacking his own guy. He's definitely following his own guy. Navigate to action. Okay, use primary item action. Hold on, you can barely see it here. I'm sorry. Use primary item action. Sword. I don't say what his target is, unfortunately. You can't quite reach it. So here's where we get stuck in a loop is, okay. So he made a successful attack, which is why it went longer. I gave him an extra, I don't remember, 5 seconds or something like that when they attack. So he's using on his own boy. Shouldn't be doing that. Doesn't appear to be landing the attacks, though. I don't know. I can't, you know what? No, the particle system, regardless, they still show red when they don't have health. Hey, this guy's healing himself. Okay, hold on. I don't even see anybody that's got a sword down here. Okay, let's get... I need to put a button down here that lets me click through the holder because it keeps the sword's collision boxes hitting. There we go. This poor guy got stunned, and now his own guy's coming to beat him up. That's sad. What's he at for health? What's this guy? This guy's score has got to be garbage. Score 0. Okay. Am I not punishing him? Score -90. This poor guy's getting beat up, and I heard his score. There's a guy up here. There's a vending machine down there. Wow, it's really working out for you. Health 50. And he's just getting stunned. This poor guy's just getting tore up. Wait, tell me this other guy's healing him. So use item on, I wish I knew who he was using item. I need to put a targeting thing on there. Like everything I need to do, not everything, but a bunch of stuff I need to do is UI. Yes, the heads, they lose collision once they come off. Wow, that guy knocked himself back. They got to dial back the physics on there. this guy doing? Think we might have hit a bug. I probably should display how much longer is in the match somewhere up there. I probably should write all this down. Okay, we didn't hit a bug. That's good. So I'm a little confused right now because I'm not seeing anybody get injured down here. I like it better at faster speed. This is way less boring. I need to fix that bug too, but just throwing money around. I should probably inhibit the tank's speed. And I want to add armor eventually, so... Alora, you should randomize the item location because right now it gives the AI a challenge. Gives the AI a challenge instead of beating the game every time. I do intend to randomize the location. I mean, technically they're randomized on this line. You don't really know what's going to show up where. So, yeah. So I'm trying to figure out, because what I think I'm going to do is give each side, like put vending machines on each side. That's okay. I know why that's there. That's just a prefab that's still sitting on the screen. So what do the tires do? They're kind of a tank shield. They turn you into a tank class, basically. This guy is swinging his money around. So they can do a stun effect. That's all I've got him right now. It's very simple kind of rock, scissors, paper we got going on here. Reminds me of River City Ransom. Yeah, like I said, towards the end of this stream, I just started, so I'm not gonna do it yet, but we'll play some Colt Canyon. And that's been giving me ideas as well. Like, it's weird where I get ideas for stuff. That one's got the most beautiful, like, simplistic pixel art, though. Someone should get an award for that. Okay, so this guy attacked his... Oh, this guy's attacking himself. Yeah, he killed himself. That's dark. It's interesting. I need to double check the score code real quick. Yeah, I wrote a new fitness function that's like way simpler than the old one, but now I'm like, do I want to use the old one? Do I want to use, the new one? The old one was more comprehensive. Basic battle, scoring. So get entity score. All right. So it checks their interactions, which before they were Chaos World events and ChaosTrainer, and so I kind of want to bring that back. So that way they're more comprehensive. But basically, if it was a heal, yeah, okay. I mean, this should be giving them negative scores for stuff, so I don't know. I'm afraid the scoring might be a little jacked up right now. Okay, so I paused it so I can get a hold of this guy. He attacked himself, so he should have negative scores, but he doesn't. So that's interesting. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in that detail panel. I'm going to drop a score there, or a breakpoint, so when we go to get the score, I can walk through it. And eventually, it'll pull up. Okay, well, okay, there it is. Why are you frozen? Did you hit the breakpoint? It hit the breakpoint. Okay, no, we don't need that. Step out, step in, step out, step in. Okay, let's just put a breakpoint here and hope that it's the right entity to make sure it's the guy holding the sword. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Primary held. There we go. Primary held item is a sword. All right. So this guy's got. Let's step into here. And so his interaction. So it might be because he is the sender and the receiver. That might be something I have not. Yep, he's the sender and the receiver. So step over. You should say was teammate. That's true. Okay, it wasn't a heal. Oh, evidently I give him points for stuns as well then. So. Okay, so he's not the sender on it, but I mean technically he is. If chaos interaction, if not. I don't know why they got this not here. That doesn't make sense. If chaos interaction, so that might have been busting up. Chaos interaction sender equals the NPC. Yeah, then is sender. All right. Let's try this again. I gotta let this go, don't I? Yeah. Let's see. Seppuku. Yeah, I suppose so. Occam's razor blade. I had to pause. That's right. Duh. Wait a second. Hold on a second. We're gonna get rid of this wherever it is. It's probably in game holder. It's not in the UI. It's not in game holder. Is it on the grid? It's not in the grid. Okay, I've seen it do this before. I think it's just glitched. Like that game object doesn't make sense why it's in there. Okay, don't mess with the scale on me. All right, whatever. We'll deal with it. Anybody have any exciting plans this weekend? We're having a Friendsgiving. Nothing big. Keeping it small as per what you need to do these days. All right. Okay. This guy's attacking. All right, he's got a score of 30. There we go. Score of 60. So one of them's already figured out to do it. Now the question is, does he have the right neurons to target specifically the other team? I think that guy's getting healed up. Yeah, look at that. See, this is pretty sure at this point completely random behavior, but that's kind of cool. Hold on. Is he healing himself? Yeah, he looks like he's healing himself. And the other guy's trying to heal him, maybe. I don't know. And he's not quite close enough to attack, unfortunately. Is this guy trying to attack? I don't know. We got to figure out how to avoid these dog piles. So part of me thinks that maybe we make it like more like XCOM. Yeah, progress. I know. I've seen this before. I think. I mean, now I look at that scores and I'm like, is it totally random? But the thing I haven't seen much is long-term behavior because we don't save. So this guy's clearly chasing that guy. Yeah, see these things where they get in dog piles. That's what we got to worry about. We don't want that. So we may have to make them so they pick a square and stay on it. Something of that nature. So those dog piles are really annoying. Wow, this is chaotic. This is crazy. Okay, this guy here, if I can click on him, he's got a score of 20 because he's landed 2 hits on this sideways guy. The other guys are coming to try and stun him. I'm not sure. Now they've got him pinned down. Here, Gizmos, where are you guys going? I wonder if I can change how that works. Like change the friction or something like that, because that guy would have won if he didn't get pinned down there. These guys are basically brain dead. So they're just doing wander actions right now. And that's because wander actions, we do that if they don't pick something. I just tell them to just wander, because that way they don't try and recalculate their goal right away until they get to their destination. I need to make this game less physics-based and more like RimWorld. Because that physics is really messing with them. Yeah, I don't like the dog piles. Any suggestions on how we can get rid of the dog piles? Oh, wow. A bunch of these guys are brain dead. I actually don't remember what this does. Spawn bot. Okay, it's trying to pick a species. Get random. Down here at the very end of this, it overrides that. So this got to be an else maybe. I don't know what happens if you hit. Yeah, that's an exception. What happens if you hit there? Okay, maybe this code has to be here and then else there. All right. All right. Definitely open suggestion on getting rid of the dog piles. Or you could divide the map into a grid and see for each 9 used grids, check if they're the same team, give them -1 for every second they sit on those grids. Yeah, okay. Why is the console up there? Get out of there. Scrimmage, new. Off to a good start there, except that guy. This guy's just wandering. That guy's wandering. That guy's got a sword. Yeah, we got another dog pile there. Yeah, because the physics part makes it less accurate too, because there's all sorts of random things that can happen with Unity physics versus just saying, navigate to that grid. So I'm hungry. Okay, randomly wandering. Yep, and then the guys that actually figure out what they're doing get up here and duel it out. But the guy that was trying to attack couldn't hit him. Wow, that's an interesting pattern here. And they all have health healing stuff. Yeah, these guys are done. Oh, we got someone's actually landing hits. Yeah, he got it. So he's going to be the top scorer in one. I think we're going to have to put that bot list that writes the scores there, maybe. Oh my gosh, there's so much work to be done. I just want to play this game, or more accurately watch. Look at that. Get out of here, everyone. I think these two are navigating in direct opposition and they're bouncing into each other. I wonder if I could make it so the NPCs won't collide with each other, but the weapons will. Then the weapons would be colliding with other or items other NPCs are holding. I don't know. Too many reward signals might screw things up. Yeah, I want to make it so you guys can define your own rewards and stuff, but I want it to be much more team based than ChaosTrainer was. I mean, I got so many ideas for this stuff. It just makes my head spin. I need to keep it simple. Let's just start with the battle. So we can train our own neural nets and then have them fight each other. And then I can add more in from there, which we kind of have now, but as you can see, it's a mess. I wonder if I could add some jitter to the navigation or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, see, like this guy right here. He'll time out and then he'll go back at it. So I should put them down here how long they have before the timeout. And need is just bad with exploration. It's possible to get stuck in local optimas. Yeah, I'm too hooked on need. I need to elaborate. Elaborate? No. Expand my horizon on that. This guy is just chasing that one guy down. Let's see. I'm going to figure out where that A-star drawing thing is, and I'm going to make it so it only does it for the selected one. It's in... let's go into the... oh my god. There we go. We're going there. iNavigatable. Okay, this is it. So somewhere in here is the navigator. Pathfinder, there we go. It's the old manual one. Let's see. Fancy draw debug. Okay, what is that used? Not used, is it? It is used. There you go, draw a line. All right, I'm gonna make it so we'll do void. Actually, we'll do it this way. Debug draw. I'm just gonna make a local function called debug draw line. There we go, and that will draw a line from the, I guess, start position to the end post. Did I not pass in a color there? I'm just do an optional color, I guess. We'll just do that, that, and I guess we'll go down here and it'll say if fancy draw debug, go. There we go. And then where is that set from? Public void set drive debug bool val fancy equals val, and that's false by default, I think. Yeah, so we'll make it so when we go to view it, I think there's something here like set debug. Okay, debug. So let's see, we had this before, but public void start debug observe, and then we'll have to do an end debug observe. Yeah, pathfinder. There we go. Set debug draw true, and here the observe to, we'll do end. This mouse is the death of me. Just got it, but it's really not great. I should return it. And you guys have any high-end mouses or something like that you guys recommend? Because this one is not doing it. All right, and then we gotta go to UI. Actually, you'd think it might even be, let's see. That'd be in chaos entity, wouldn't it? Basically, the on-click event happens here. Parse data to entity data, get debug string, get stat val. There we go. Let's see. Let's change that to start UI observe. Technically, it's not even UI, but, or Yeah, I can't talk today. Override. Override. So I'm gonna make the base one virtual. And chaos entity. All right. So, yep. I think we'll add that in here. Okay, there we go. And then we'll just do start observe here, and that should give us what we want. All right. Series, razor, or crosshair. What do I got here? I got the red dragon, and I regret it. It was cheap. It was cheap. Steel series of razor, crosshair. All right, let's check that out. Not sure if Sidewinder is still a thing. Never had a high-end mouse. I don't want that high-end mouse, but this thing goes like, I'm trying to hit that little drop-down arrow. See that there? It's like I have to like fight it to get it to it. It's like, come on. This isn't really a high-end gaming channel, but we're indie all the way. Okay, so if I click on one of these guys, they should draw their navigation lines, but it does not. Okay, nope, definitely not hitting that there. So we'll go into the detail panel. Let's see. Chaos entity. It should hit there. Set chaos entity. Okay, it hit there. Sounds good. Let's step into that. Step over. Step over. Step into. Okay. Step over. Step into. Okay. Step out. Okay, we're just gonna hit play there. Okay, it hit it again. All right. I got gizmos turned on. All right, we'll take a look at the Pathfinder. This call? It does get called. Okay, it's false. Let's see if that actually hits. I have a feeling I'm setting it somewhere else then. Navigating to decompiler. Why? You're there? Can't hit the X button. All right. Fancy debug draw. That's interesting. Okay, and we're off to the races. Change DPI settings for the mouse. Let's find out. Mouse settings. All right, I gotta restart this. Then we can mess with my mouse. I know you can speed it up so it, goes faster across the screen, but Yeah, that's what I've got there. Additional mouse options. Yeah. All right, I'm not gonna mess with that on stream, but all right, let's go. All right, let's follow that guy. Hey, there we go. Now he's chasing down a guy. Okay, well that's good. We got an idea what its target is at least. He hit him. What was it earlier that we moved something from? It was the search. See, it does check for collisions here. I don't know. Full screen? I'm not sure what you mean by that full screen. Hey, I've been going for an hour now. Oop, everything fell apart for some reason. It must have reloaded there. I should think about it this way. How did Command and Conquer prevent them from all standing on each other? But I think occasionally they did. I guess units couldn't really push other units around. I don't know. We should play some Command and Conquer sometime. I like the heck out of that game. All right, so the biggest problems are probably the dog piles right now because they actually are picking up weapons and using them. Okay, this guy's got his own boy there. Let's go full screen. I should make it so the camera will follow the selected guy if I tell him to. All right, this guy's making points. They keep stabbing themselves? I missed that. I only caught the guy hitting the guy with a shield. That guy hit this guy, I think. Yeah, I think as much as fun as it was to put the physics in it, I think I got to take that out. I got to rethink this. All right, so here's what we're going to do. While I rethink this, let's see if I can't. Let's leave it running for a minute and let's play. Can Matt melt his computer? What are the inputs to the neural nets? So basically it feeds every entity on the map into the neural nets one at a time, and whichever one gets outputted the highest score is the one you're going to go to, basically. And it also feeds in the action types you could do. So you can it gives you 2 action types: navigate to and navigate to and use primary item, basically. And so the inputs are the stats. So the stat for this is like the attack hit points. The stat for this is the heal hit point. The stat for there's nothing on the vending machine yet. The stat for this is you can see right there: stun duration, range, wind up, cooldown. So we pass in all those things as inputs: attack, range, wind up, cooldown. I'm pretty sure we're passing them all in. And then you pass in, like, for your target, you're going to try and attack. If I can find the entity there, their health, their max health, they're stunned, or if they're stunned, basically. So it feeds all that stuff in and just scores all the different potential things you can do. See, these guys are moving through each other. What the hell's going on there? Darn you, Unity system. All right, let's do this. We're going to play this and let that run for a minute. I just want to show you the pixel art. Plus, it's kind of cool because these like NPCs are going about doing their own business. Like, I like the idea of like an entire world where they're not like in a pre-programmed loop, but they're actually like spawning up and dying and living lives, and you know, I think that'd be really cool. This game though is got some really nice, very simple pixel art, but it's kind of tough. It's a roguelike. No, I'm low on ammo. So you, like, I like the idea of you, like, I want to put something in the game. For us, high grass makes visibility tougher, so the other entities would have a tougher time seeing this. So you can stealth kill in this game, which is like my ammo in this thing. Saves a bunch of ammo. I missed him first time. But I like the idea of having stealth, or like the ability for them to perceive each other, be limited. Oh, shoot, that one saw me. It's a tough one. Don't look for me, I'm not here. Just ignore the guy that shot your buddy. In case you're wondering why I shot his buddy, there was a scene in the tutorial where that you basically they kidnap your girl and knock you out, so you got to go get your girl back. So I'm not just running around killing people for no reason, all right? Why did it just throw the gun that way? Now, these guys are all in a group down here. They're going to be tough to separate out and get. What's this game about? It's a roguelike. So if you're familiar with that type of genre, basically, oh gosh, I didn't mean to do that with that gun. So basically, it's just a bullet storm kind of one, but it's got some stealth to it, which is kind of cool. So it's not a full bullet storm, just shoot them up. But look at like how simple this is. Like the characters, for the most part, are all just one color. The weapons are another color. But you know, I like that style, and I like kind of like the trees and all that stuff. Like, you know, kind of they've got that in the dust blowing in the foreground. It's like it's not like the gameplay doesn't blow me away, but the graphics, like the art style, is what gets me. Like you can see, like, as I move through this, there's like little particles that kind of come out of it. So I'm not very good at it yet, but I will kill the heck out of some stealth kill people like crazy. What is this? It's the same thing. Break rifle? I think that's what I got. No, it's not. Okay, well, that's good. I prefer that type of rifle. Yeah, it's like, this is kind of cool because it requires less art to communicate kind of more. You saw me. This also got me thinking about the AI. Like, they, you know, I like the idea that the AI will eventually be able to sneak. Oh, wow. Oh, I got two of them with one bullet that time. Looks like Nighthawk Nuclear Throne. Trying to read the comments and kill people. I don't know how streamers do this. All right, have a good night. It was a great stream. Yep. Thanks for stopping on. Sorry it wasn't the most exciting one. Once this project gets a bit further, we should be able to have more fun with it. I got to solve that problem of them clumping up. We'll get there. Now, the second I start playing games, people are actually like, nope, nope, I don't want to see this. This guy's too bad at it. So I wonder what that question mark means as far as the UI goes. Okay. You don't want the dog after you. Also, I don't like the idea of killing dogs, but I hope this guy's seen me. Sorry, dog. You still got a chunk out of me. I don't like that they have me killing dogs in this game. I don't care about random guys with pitchforks. Look at this. Look at this windmill. That's pretty cool. It's kind of a two-tone thing. Dang it! How'd you see me, man? Wow, I wasted a ton of bullets there. Oh, this guy he's always a pain to kill. Try and avoid that. Man, they're chewing into me. Oh, I got a health back. Never mind. That was okay. That was worth it. Oh, I thought he had didn't know he had a gun. I thought he had something else. Don't. Man, usually I'm a lot more stealthy in this game. You see how the tree like shook when it hit it? That's cool. Just a lot of time went into this. And I'm leaving a trail of bodies here. It's dark. I don't think this guy's an enemy. Yeah, he's just a guy. I put random NPCs on, and you can't tell them apart until you kill them. You're like, oh, that's bad. There's a upgrade somewhere in here I haven't found yet, so we're gonna try and find that. Yep, there it is. Wow, I can. There we go. We're getting out of here. Oh yeah, I should get the bullets. Give me that bullet. Oh, and this guy saw me. All right. Well, if you leave the level and they're still chasing you, they'll come back. They'll basically come at you in the next level. Look at that fire. Beautiful. Oh, nice. All right, I'm gonna try and get some sleep. Go to bed. All right, sounds good. Get some sleep. You rest up. Oh, for crying out loud. I know the stream kind of went off the rails a little bit, as they tend to do. Oh, wow, a bunch of guys. I wish I knew how to, like, aggro them to come up here. Don't know what happened to that guy. He just exploded, I guess. Okay. Oh, wow. All right. I don't think I've ever had many guys chase me besides the boss fight. Oh, what the heck? Oh, there's a. Oh my gosh. Ah. How do they make the light beam look like this? I don't know. I don't know. It's Yeah. Killed by a sword guy. Let myself get flustered there. Alright. First thing you gotta do is find the ammo. This is all procedurally generated, which is kind of cool because they're not, you know, just like regular patterns. Okay, well. There's the ammo. I saw a guy down here. No? I think eventually that thing will explode. Sometimes drop stuff. Just punching hay. Just imagine if you walked into a field or whatever, you just see a guy just punching hay, pistol whipping it, I guess. Stabbing it? I don't know. Okay, there's nothing in there. I like the way they do the little numbers for damage. We should probably do that. I'm not sure if I can do that as a... Oh my gosh, I can't believe I made it out from... Okay, I didn't. If we, yeah, like, I wonder if you could do that with the particle system. Just make a number go up. Those have to be game objects. I'm guessing game objects from what I know of the particle system. Okay, I'm guessing that's done. I got one of them, got two of them. See, that was some ninja stuff there. That's, you do that, you feel pretty good about yourself there. God. I'm doing pretty good on ammo right now. The last one I was trying to throw dynamite, but man, I could not quite get that to work. Sorry, dog. Just don't come at me, man. Oh, oh. Jeez. I think those other guys are non-violent NPCs. Yeah, they run away. Lasso is an interesting tool to have on there. I probably should take those guys on as companions. I think you get perk for getting more of them. Just like the upgrades typically. Melee that guy down. You sure love the pixel style of games. It's true. It's true, I do. Yeah, I haven't been playing much Kenshi lately, though I do want to play more of it. Wow, that ricocheted and hit that guy. That's cool. Get out of here with that. Hey, I got a health point for it, though. I wish I could tell what their vision was and it's like what they could see, but one thing they did in Metal Gear Solid, the early ones, like the ones from the 2000s or even the 90s, it might have been, they had them show the flashlight to kind of indicate where they were looking, which was a good way to start for noobs like me. Yeah, Metal Gear Solid, that was one of the most brilliantly done sneaking games ever. I mean, they kept it throughout the series. Pioneers, the art of stealth. So that's something Enter the Gungeon and Rogue Legacy and a lot of the other roguelikes lack. Alright. I'm going to play till I die here or whatever, and then we'll go back and finish up maybe. You guys just... Okay, yep, whoop. You're an angry one. Alright. Let's see. Did I already get the guy for this level? I think I already got the little guy you gotta rescue. The attack range on this guy is pretty impressive. He's got some range. Like for when he does that stealth attack, you're like, no way. He's reaching that guy. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, through the wall. If that's possible. Oh, I got some dynamite. That's good. I always free the horses, but sometimes they attack you, which is really annoying. I should get like extra health for that. Ooh, dog. Don't want to mess with that. Come on, get off me. Seems to get hazy at really annoying times. You're just like, what the heck? Ah. Stupid dog, I thought I had you. Oh, that guy should have been dead. I don't know what that game was doing there. I had that guy. Not that one, that was poorly played. Okay, I'm getting sloppy now. Gotta calm down, slow it down, man. There we go. All right. Jeez, I'm lucky that guy was blind because I was definitely not in the right spot. Yeah, come on up here, that's fine. Oh, that guy's on me now. Jeez. Oh. Damn it. These big ones don't. Oh boy. Run, man. Oh, that guy's got a shield. Those guys suck. You gotta like kite him down here. Got him. And he dropped health. I'm down to 14 bullets. I had like 40 bullets before. Now I'm down to 14. It's no good. I'm gonna let you out. Don't hit me. Oh, there's another. Oh, more health over here? Jeez. The win. I'm at full health now. That's killing it. There's no bullets. Just gotta stealth kill everyone for a minute. Guy got me. Took half a health from a direct stealth kill. Oh well. Still looking for the guy I gotta save on this level. So I can get my... Oh man, there's a ton of bullets up here. Oh, there he is. And there's another guy. Let's get that guy first so I'm clear. Wow, that seems like a no-brainer. A couple dozen kills, like... Oh, that's solid. I think the next one's the boss, though, so I better be on my toes here. Nope, it's not. One more, and then it's the boss. I'd love to see an interview with the developers or the creators of this game. It's pretty cool stuff. I mean, it's not like reinventing the wheels as far as like gameplay, but it's still solid. Oh, wow, there's a bunch of guys up there. The hell? Good God, that guy is overpowered. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. No. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that doesn't even use the high power bullets. That's okay. Wait, we do want to change to that weapon then. It's only one bullet, and it takes a while to load. So I don't think I'm going to use it, but at least I can get in a first shot that's powerful. No, we don't want that. Dynamite. This guy's selling weapons. Ooh, ooh. It's good to know that you can run away. feel like that horse is just going to kick me when I get too close to it. Oh. Man, screw that. I got the attack off on him. You get to see me after I attack you. That guy saw me for sure. Oh wow, there's a bunch of guys over there. Nope. Man, I don't know how I wasn't hitting that guy. Yeah, there's a bunch of NPCs running around here. Got 2 melee hits off on that guy at least first. So even the subtlety of that little round showing up behind the mountain is solid. Oh, what the heck? All right. You know what? I'm just going to kill you from now on. Stupid horses trying to save you. Okay, run. Oop. I don't think he got me. The next guy I haven't killed yet, so we're definitely doing that one. That's good. I haven't killed the next boss yet. I'm just gonna chuck dynamite at him like it's nothing. Okay, I don't need to go that way. I just need to. Oh, and then there's more dynamite. My dynamite supply is restocked. Stop wasting ammo. Take that free ammo though, because it's already there. I guess I'm gonna take this guy. Definitely wasted more ammo than I saved there. Is there a guy on a horse? Okay, how do I get out of here? This whole thing's got me trapped. I've gotten out of this level before. I don't know what I just did, but I'll take it. Okay, that's good. That holds more ammo. I'm 2 things of dynamite I'm leaving behind here. So good. Ooh, this is a shield, I think. There we go. There's no map. It always throws me off. Okay, I really don't know how to get out of here. You check up on the AI, you're right. Is there a boss fight? I'm trying to get to the boss fight, and then after that we will win, lose, or draw. I'll go check up on the AI. Man, there's a bunch of guys up here. I just want to stealth kill you all. I don't want to have to really fight you. I'm using the heavies on those guys anyway. I don't have that much ammo for it. Oh, where did that guy come from? You took half my shield, man. Yeah, this way to your partner, please. I'd like to. Nope, that's just a wall. Is it north still? Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to lose right before I get to the boss. Oh, my gosh. This is just draining my health. This is insane. You better drop some health potions. I couldn't find the exit. Then I get to the exit. I just get beat to death. Oh, my gosh. All right. Well, I am going to throw some grenades at people. Give me health. Please give me something. Reload. Reload. Give me some health. I just gotten the shield too. Yep. Okay. All right. Here we go. So he's good. I gotta throw the big. Okay, that's right. He's got that super long attack. Did I get him? Oh my god! It didn't get him. Go. Oh my god! All of it's gone. One last health, and I've got no. Oh my god! I was never better set up for this. Okay. All right. Enough of this game. I don't even want to. Nope. You've angered me, game. I was so well set up, but the bombs just weren't hitting them. All right, let's see what these guys are doing. They appear to be stuck. Nope, no, okay, good. They weren't stuck. All right. Generation 1. So yeah, I need to put their generations and species on the side. I need to do all that UI. So much UI work, and I won't keep it on the stream because that's probably boring. And I need to get some breakfast because I haven't eaten yet. So, all right. With that said, I'll hopefully do another one of these next Saturday. We will. Actually, I might not be able to. I think I got family in town. So we'll see. All right. Everybody have a great day, and I will talk to you later.